Hello, it's Victor Dadash. Hope you're having a great day. Today I want to talk about why you should focus on high-ticket clients instead of low-ticket clients. Now, a lot of people are under the impression that high-ticket clients are very hard to deal with, that they don't want to spend the money, and that it's easier to deal with low-ticket clients. And it's actually the opposite. Very often, low-ticket clients are high maintenance. They complain a lot. They ask a million questions. They say, does this work? Is this a scam? They'll ask you all kinds of questions, and no matter how hard you try to convince them, they're going to be a lot more cynical about things. And if they do buy, they're going to complain to you more, and they're much more likely to refund. Whereas with high-ticket clients, they tend to be more educated. They tend to understand the value of your product. If you can demonstrate the value of your product and demonstrate how it can solve their problems, they are definitely willing to give you money. They're willing to give you $1,000, $5,000, $10,000, and they are much more likely to not ask you questions. They're gonna ask you much fewer questions. They're gonna complain less, and they're gonna refund less, because high-ticket clients understand the value of products a lot better than low-ticket clients. So if you really want to become more successful, focus on the high-ticket clients. Number one, you're gonna make a lot more money. Number two, you're gonna deal with a lot less drama. You're gonna deal with a lot less complaining, and you're gonna deal with a lot less refunding. So those are my tips for today. I hope you got a lot of value. Feel free to share this video with other people. Feel free to comment below and subscribe to my channel below. This is Victor Dadash signing off. Have a wonderful day.